Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Bluetooth car hands-free set from SilverCrest. It is the basic model with Bluetooth version 5.3 for easily connected to standard mobile phones. Attaches to the sun visor for convenience with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. We have the manual, a cable, type A to type C 1.5 meters, a cigarette lighter adapter. You can connect on a 12 or 24 volt vehicles with an output 5 volt 1 amp, LED indicator with one USB output. And the hands-free device. We have the button to increase and decrease the volume, telephone button, accept and call with integrated operating light, and start, pause, play music, this button. The speaker, the fastening clip, okay. Oh, it is magnetic, I like that. Nice, very convenient. 5 volt type C port, the button to switch off the microphone, the on off switch, we can see the LED indicator, and off. Inside it has a Li-ion battery 3.7 volt 800 mAh 2.96 watt hours. That's why it has power. And here it is, and the microphone. Somewhere it is the microphone. I suppose here it is the microphone, this hole, or in front at the speaker. So let's plug it in. Right now I will use it only with the cable, 5 volt, red light, that means it's charging. Let's fully charge and then I will plug in on my smartphone and test the audio quality. That is the most important when you are buying this kit. Fully charge it, unplug, on. Go at your Bluetooth settings of your smartphone and there it is, SPDF. Pair it. Calls audio. You can increase, decrease the volume, maximum, music, decrease, increase, pause, resume. Decent sound quality, not the best. I can't hear any bass. And of course you can accept calls. And it's ringing. You can decrease the volume for the tone or increase. And accept the call. Loud and clear speaker for a good quality call. Safety allows you to keep your hands on wheel and eyes on the road while driving. Works with most Bluetooth enabled smartphones and devices. Stay connected while focusing on the road, improving overall driving safety. Clear communication,
Microphone ensures clear and crisp audio quality. Provides essential hands-free features at a budget-friendly price. It is ideal for daily drivers who need to stay connected while on the road.
And end the call. And of course, during the call, you can decrease or increase the volume at the speaker or mute the microphone. That's it for our review of the SilverCrest Bluetooth car hands-free set. A simple, budget-friendly solution to keep your hands on the wheel and your calls crystal clear while driving. If you're someone who values safety, convenience and simplicity, this hands-free set is definitely worth considering. It's ideal for commuters, frequent drivers or anyone who wants to make their time on the road more efficient and enjoyable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new review. Thanks for watching, drive safe and I'll see you in the next one.